Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use How to Rig Pro to rig your character. This model is free, you can get it on Sketchfab. So now select your character mesh. Go to Auto Rig tab. On the sidebar, select Auto Rig Pro and click on Get Selected Object. Then on Full Body click OK. Now we click the Add Neck. So make sure it touch mesh. Add chin. So know how to follow me. Now click on Go button. Now the rig has been generated. So there's problem here, we have to fix it. So on Edit mode, you select the bone. And then you can use the magnet to snap it on the surface. Now when you are done, click on Match to Rig. Now our array has been successfully generated. This one is very small, so click on Edit Shape. Then select and scale it and apply it. So this one to select a scale and rotate it to let it align the hand. Then when you're done, you can apply it. When you're done, go to Object Mode, and then press E and select all of the objects. Then go to Skin, Bind, and then select all the parts and click on Bind. Now it has been successfully binding, so let's test the rig. So everything is working nice. But you see that there is an extra issue here. We have to use the white paint. Select Object and then go to White Paint mode. And then on Object Data Property. Then look for the bone that has influence on that knee. Select Subtract and paint it out. So when you are done, you can test the rig. So now everything is good. Now, so guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe for more videos.